Hi class. So here is my website that I was able to design and create. The organization's name is Worldwide Connect, and this organization is to bring or to allow students visit other countries so that they can experience the different lifestyles and cultures that exist around the world to ultimately create a better or broaden their understandings of different cultures. Um, the main purpose of this website is to gather volunteers. And by volunteers is mostly families or locals who are living in the country and are wanting to give that culture experiences to students by hosting them. So by having these students live with different families, they're able to experience like normal things that families from that culture or that country experiences. Um, so they're able to go to school, they're able to like experience their faith and all these many things that different countries have. Um, and so they're able to like click on this button. Doesn't really lead to anything, but the main purpose for this call to action button is mostly for families to look at a list of students and their application to see which student can really match or can really go well with their family's interest. um, but my website is very simple. There's a very it's like a white background just to keep things simple. The images are on the left and the texts are on the right, and they're kind of switched for every paragraph just to make sure there's a really good flow when it comes to reading. Each of these buttons lead to different sections of the website. Um, I guess one of the things I had learned from this was how important it was to keep the website as simple as it can, but and still point on like the important parts of or the messages that we want to share with people. So I tried my best to not overwhelm the reader in regards to what the organization wants to offer to the people who come to this website. I guess the most difficult part of making this website was mostly these full width sliders. Um, I just had a little bit more of a rough time. I'm trying to get them in the right position. I had to crop them multiple times to make sure they were in the right places and that it wasn't cut off in a very weird or awkward way. But that was the most difficult part. I had to also make sure that the height was good. It wasn't too big or it wasn't too small. But ultimately, this was my website and I had a lot of fun making it. Thank you for watching this video.